everything else will look great just because of all the work that we've put in, and spending this, not only this entire week, but the last 350 days leading up to this week, and making sure that our golf course looks pristine.
I want to say we get here at 4:30 and we don't leave till 7:30. So we have to get the course ready for the guys going off at 7 in the morning. Stay around all day just in case anything does happen. We're here to fix it, and then we'll get some work done after the tournament finishes that evening. Last year was a good stepping stone. We were able to accomplish a lot before the tournament even got here, made it easier during the week. And this year I think it should be on autopilot. We should just be able to cruise through the tournament, weather dependent, and hopefully nothing goes wrong.